You've been told the pineal gland is an organ that regulates your sleep-wake cycles by producing melatonin. We challenge that assumption. What if this tiny central structure is not just a biological clock, but a precision instrument, a biological transducer designed to receive signals from fields beyond the electromagnetic spectrum? If the heart is the master oscillator and the brain is the resonator, the pineal circuit is the quantum gateway. It is the anatomical structure that links your localized consciousness to the universal energetic substrate we call the ether. To grasp this function, consider an accessible analogy: the crystal radio set. An old crystal radio doesn't require batteries. It uses a small, sensitive mineral crystal to detect subtle radio waves from the air and convert them directly into an audible electrical current. The crystal itself is the passive transducer, requiring no external power, only resonant tuning. Now, translate this structural principle to the human anatomy. Your pineal gland is loaded with microcrystals, specifically calcite or hydroxylapate microstructures. These crystals exhibit piezoelectric properties, meaning they convert mechanical pressure, like subtle energetic vibrations, directly into electrical signals and vice versa. The pineal is the most densely packed, non-bone biological site of these mineral structures in the body. It is perfectly designed to be the ultimate biological transducer. The pineal gland's crystalline nature allows it to serve two critical functions related to spiritual engineering. First, as an antenna, it is uniquely tuned to the highly subtle, high-frequency fluctuations of the zero-point field, ZPF, the modern term for the ether. These fields are often described as scalar non-Hertzian, or torsion waves, vibrational structures that penetrate all matter without being attenuated by conventional shielding. The crystalline structure of the pineal acts as a highly effective rectifier, converting these subtle, universal fluctuations into bioelectric signals that the body can use. Second, the pineal translates this external signal into a system-wide state of organization. The pineal output is immediately broadcast throughout the highly ordered liquid crystalline continuum, the structured water and connective tissue matrix surrounding every cell. The electric signals generated by the pineal's transduction mechanically align the liquid crystal, which instantly facilitates quantum coherence across the entire organism. When your pineal circuit is active and clear, the entire system enters a state of high quantum coherence, enabling noiseless energy transfer and instantaneous, non-local communication throughout the body. The pineal does not generate consciousness. It tunes the body to the external field of consciousness, allowing the infinite awareness of the ZPF to express through the local organism. The process, often referred to as calcification, can be understood not just as a pathological hardening, but as a loss of coherence, the pineal crystal losing its dynamic responsive structure, becoming rigid and less able to act as a sensitive transducer. This lowers the organism's ability to achieve and maintain high quantum coherence with the external field. Therefore, practices of internal focus, intentional breathing, and emotional coherence are fundamentally acts of cleaning and resensitizing the pineal circuit, allowing it to fulfill its role as the biological gateway to the energetic universe. Ancient traditions across the world identified this location as the Ajna chakra, the seat of wisdom, intuition, and ultimate perception, the third eye. This was understood to be the physical locus of the connection between the localized soul and the universal mind. Their symbolic understanding of a central point of non-local awareness is mirrored by modern biophysics, describing the pineal as the primary transducer capable of converting subtle universal energy into measurable biological signals. You are not generating light. You are tuning the gateway that allows the light of the universe to pass through you. You are not here to survive. You are here to resonate. From energy back to awareness, the loop completes.